Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a bird's eye view of the world around you? Or how technology can help us access hard-to-reach places and transform the way you live and work? If so, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll explore the exciting world of drones and their incredible applications in various industries, from agriculture to logistics, scientific research to energy. Drones are revolutionizing the way we approach complex challenges and achieve our goals. So sit back, relax, and let's take flight with drones. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, have become increasingly popular in recent years. These flying machines have a variety of uses, from capturing stunning aerial footage to delivering packages to remote areas. A typical drone consists of four main parts: the frame, motors, propellers, and a controller. The frame is the body of the drone and holds all of the other components together. The motors provide the power to lift the drone into the air, and the propellers help it to move forward, backward, and turn. The controller is the device that the operator uses to fly the drone and control its movements. It can be flown by anyone with a remote control, but it's important to follow safety guidelines and regulations before flying a drone. Make sure to check the local laws in your area and always fly in a safe and open space away from people, buildings, and other obstacles. One of the most popular applications of drones is aerial photography and videography. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras can capture stunning footage from a unique perspective. This can be used in industries such as real estate, tourism, and filmmaking to showcase properties and locations in a way that was never possible before. Another exciting application of drones is delivery services. Companies like Amazon are experimenting with using drones to deliver packages to customers in remote areas or during times when traditional delivery services may be disrupted. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we receive goods and services in the future. Another application of drones is in the energy sector. Drones can be used to inspect power lines, wind turbines, and solar panels, detecting any damage or issues that may need to be addressed. This technology can improve the safety of workers and reduce the cost and time required for inspections. As you can see, drones have a wide range of applications and are changing the way we live, work, and play. Whether you're capturing stunning aerial footage, delivering packages, or competing in a drone race, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching this video.